Kublai fibaro sai sempat teh akan ke video kubamta ngan pentip syafi yaki khobar lajam kibalaj hapo shalong balapan mi daka Meghalaya Cooperate Bank Limited kibadon hasilong bat kelapan mi hadu South Santali kipus baro baja kini kipus papi abon apply kade yaki candidate kibalapan deb yaka graduate in any discipline art commerce science sajrong kila ban apply Tekla kod online application yaki candidate kibadai ki domesai jong kajala Meghalaya bat kibalong eligible yakini kipus baper des sampai jakini ke video hadu bakut kenang berpensutu company hak badai bagi nekipus bat ya kiwiki jeng kam bat kalas diet ban submit yaki application kandai hadu ka arp knaiterik umar sarajar opsan tekipus kibalaj kadai akau kom head cashier grade 3A 1 ki number of vacancy arputali baro bat jong kipus asistan kom cashier tu grade 3B tu kipus balaj hadu absently baro lang kalong subsently baro kipus balaj nang takas nem bapi ban apply yakini kipus kadai voice nem hadu live voice nem but sans nem ka age relaxation kamut hadu live sans nem bapio ban apply nang taka essential qualification part graduate in any discipline from a recognized university in India with minimum 55% mark in aggregate lakum nukuno pitiban yo 100% mark haka percentage kijang pi but nakam taki ST candidate pat kisim tang 100% mark papiyo ban apply but pide rubandon kajing tip haka baidai bat ki komputer kum ka spread word processing email bat kiwi application are required to achieve the minimum pass in either Khasi or Garo during the secondary school living certificate. Hak badai bat ke subject Khasi lane Garo badai man pass bah haki secondary school living certificate lane tam namar yakni kipus kidai tangapo Meghalaya. Mar phaban te bika katin Garo lane Khasi. Te hak badai bat kini kipus kipedeng tangi kitu kibalabiang nikah qualification Tada pibakla haka porpanda beka application form kamut kinsya reject. Teka by sew application yakini kipus kadai sauspa yaki general but less pa yaki ST candidate. Tekum na ban apply yakini kipus application be submit that only through online mode application received through other mode will not be accepted. Yakini kipus haban apply online day offline. Bat pihaban lej hak website jong ka Meghalaya Cooperate Bank Limited www.megcap.com dengan sabu hapo ke description below ya ka website. Bat hakapur bapi apply pihaban upload ya ka photograph. Hakapur bapi apply pihaban upload ya ka photograph in color JPG image will be accepted. Nang ta pihaban upload do ya ka signature bat kiwi ki dokumen kum ka qualification kasnam birth certificate bat ki dokumen kindai PDF file hakapor bapi upload tiki babiang load baro kinsa penmi admit card banto exam ya ka written exam nang ta kan sabut saka interview tiya ki admit card kinsa upload haka website jong ka Meghalaya Cooperative Bank Limited tiki subject banto ya ka written exam pat general awareness, banking awareness, economics awareness, reasoning ability, computer aptitude, quantitative aptitude, data analysis, data interpretation, but English. Teki bahema kin syakot hau ka interview. Teki bahema kin syakot haka interview. Teki bah qualify ka interview kamut kin syapin mi merit list. Teka jingsu pada ki pus accountant commercial grade 3A 1 kadai sau hajar sispa khatsau ka starting pay but plus saki wei ki allowance pinyo ya ki pus bank assistant kom cashier tu grade 3B2 ka basic pay kadai life wager knai pra tingka but plus saki wei ki allowance pinyo ti ki bam pat apply kini ki pus Kesalainnya ban apply ka last date kantai hadu ka arp knai terik umat arjar apsan. Tetang kini kecing kutip kublai sibon.